Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a beautiful day today. Deck get some sun. Uh, Run to the mall for a couple things, and I picked up cologne. Choo Man. I've never had it. Heard a few things about it. Heard it smells good, but doesn't have good longevity. I'll do a review on it at some point in time and give you. Right now, we'll just do a first impression. I got it for $21. Well, no, $4.95 because it was 21 plus tax, and I used $20 in optimum points. So $4. My first impression in unboxing. It's a box. I don't really know, kind of like a snake skin almost thing to the box. Here's the bottle. Kind of neat, kind of flasky looking, I guess. Anything about it. Ooh, the cap goes on pretty damn good. The wind took the spray. Let's try that again, get a little closer. Well, it's a nice sprayer. It kind of reminds me of Dior Sauvage. You can kind of control it. That's the bottle. I don't know if I showed you. I can't remember. Nice bottle. Strong fucking cap. Holy goodness. I gotta turn you around. I don't know. I'll figure that out in a minute. Citrusy and green. Reminds me of something. Seems to be nice. Geez, it reminds me of something, and I don't know what it is. It's a hard time getting. There we go. Definitely crowd pleasing. Seems to got some citrus in there. Leafy citrus. Leafy. Pineapple leaf, or slightly sweet though too. Kind of smells like Blue de Chanel actually, a little tiny bit. Yeah, that was it, guys. I just picked that up, and I thought I'd do a quick little first impression for you. See what it's like. I'm going to sit out here in the deck and get some sun for a bit. Yeah. It's nice. I'll do a review on it at some point in time. I mean, I don't know how longevity is going to be. I heard it's spotty at best on most people, but I've heard a few people say it lasts forever, so I don't know. Alright, guys. Peace. Love. Be good to each other.